Hey y'all, Shelly Flash here. I am a new vegan, so I'm so hyped. I've been over shopping, over cooking, but constantly discovering and trying new recipes. So I'm like anybody else out there, even though I know how to cook and I teach cooking for a living, I'm always trolling Instagram. I'm always online. I'm always on YouTube saying, "Ooh, I want to try that," especially when the picture's all bright and shiny and it's like, "Oh, I could crush it." And if it says easy, or has a few ingredients, I'm all about that life. So the other day I was craving some donuts and I was like, okay, let me try to find a simple recipe. It looks good and it didn't stress me out, right? So I went to Tasty. Tasty is everywhere, Tasty be crushing it with their amazing videos and the overhead shots and it's like, I could do this, right? And I'm going to show y'all what I saw and then I'm going to show you how it came out. Okay? I did everything that it said, right? I did everything that it said. Okay, let's see. Let's do this together. Yes, I did my margarine, right? I put it, I melted it. It was beautiful. Add a little bit of milk. I didn't use soy milk. I used almond milk, right? Because you don't want to do too much soy. I used some, I didn't use sunflower oil. I used olive oil. Did that, melted it. I did my regular, okay. Castor, by the way, castor sugar is just regular old sugar. Okay, and I did my baking powder. Salt. Okay. This step, I'm gonna give you the real. It was really, really sticky, right? So it was really sticky. Like it stuck to my hands a lot, and I was kind of like something's off with that. And so I added a little bit, like not even like just like bench flour, but it stuck to my hands that I couldn't even form a ball. Like it was weird. So the way she made it seem was not, I didn't have that experience. So right there, she formed a ball, flattened it a little bit, and now she's gonna make like the donut shape. All right, boom. All right, so we're gonna stop there. All right, so I made it. I followed the steps. I felt good about it. I was like, even when I looked at it in the pan, I was like, it's gonna come out all right. It's gonna come out all right. I'm gonna show y'all what it came out like. And it didn't taste bad. It was just, see, this is how it came out, right? It comes out really dense, really, really dense. Almost like, I don't know. It's almost like, for like you Caribbean, like a dumpling, like mad thick. So it's not like a cake donut. It wasn't like definitely no yeast donut, obviously. It don't taste nasty, but I definitely wouldn't make it again. It was just really dense. So there got to be a better one out there. But I don't know about that one. Just saying. But I followed the recipe. That's how it came out. As you see, it wasn't crazy. But it also was one of those recipes where it's like, all right, cool. I made it. I ain't break the bank doing it. So, yeah.